Hello class, this is a video tutorial on determining the term number, part 1. So we know how to calculate any term in a arithmetic progression or geometric progression. We saw these two formulae in the previous video. But we should understand that we can reverse the process to calculate what number n a given term is in a sequence. So this should be a short video, so let's get right to it. So here are two examples. So given the arithmetic progression, -9, -5, -1, etc., what term number is 215, given that 215 is inside this arithmetic progression? Well, to do this, we need to calculate first a. We know that to be -9. Our common difference, if you just do -5 take away -9, should be a +4. And this will give us t of n equals -9 plus 4 n minus 1. Expanding this, we get -9 plus 4n minus 4. This gives us -13 plus 4n. Well, now that we have this, we can simply substitute t of n for 215. By that we mean we do -13 plus 4n, and we let this equal the term that we're looking for. Solving for n, 228, n is equal to, you can just plug this into your calculator if you'd like. Gives us 57th. So the 57th term is the number 215. So let's try again for this one. The arithmetic sequence s equals 52, 46, 40, etc. It ends on the term t of n equals 572, -572. So this actually doesn't go on forever. It stops on this particular number. The two questions we're going to be answering is, how long is the sequence? And what is the first term that is negative? So let's answer these two questions. As with most questions like this, we need to first find our t of n. We do this by finding a, which is 52. Our common difference is -6. I'm just subtracting 40, take away 46, so it's -6. This will give us Tn equals 52, take away 6, n minus 1. This will be -6n. -6 times -1 is +6, plus 52 gives us 58. So our Tn is 58 minus 6n, and we want to let this equal the term we are looking for, so -572. Solving this equation, we get -6n is equal to, I cannot do that in my head, -572 minus 58, that's -630, dividing this by -6, n is equal to 105. So how long is this sequence? It is 105 terms long. What is the first term that is negative, and what number term is it? So this one is rather difficult. because in this particular question, we're being told the exact number. In this one, we're not being told what the number is. However, we're being told that we're looking for a negative number. So what we do, in this case, we say Tn, so some number term, is less than 0. So we're going to take our expression here. Let's copy this. We're going to let this be less than 0. Oops, sorry, wrong one to copy. Should have been this one. Oh, where'd it go? Here, this one. We're going to make this one less than 0. And just like that, we solve for n. So negative 6n is less than negative 58. N is greater than, because we're dividing by a negative. So negative 58 divided by negative 6. So that's 9.6 recurring. But if you consider this, this would be a position in a line. So here's the 9th term. Here's the 10th term. You can't have a 9.6th position. So the closest one that would become negative, because if we go backwards, sorry, let's bring this back. So according to this little quick graph that I drew, at this point here, 9.6, it is negative. If we go backwards, it'll no longer be negative. So in this case, we must round up. So we say the 10th term is the first one that's negative. And to figure out what number term that is, we just say T of 10 is equal to 58 minus 60 times 10. And this one I can do in my head, that's negative 2. So I hope that gave you an insight into reversing the process of any term. I'll catch you in the next video when I do the same idea using geometric progressions. Hope to see you then. Best of luck.